Welcome to the Department of English, Government Postgraduate College, Attock. These online classes have been started on the instructions of Punjab Higher Education Department, Govt of Punjab, Lahore. The prime purpose of these classes is to help students in continuing their studies and preparation for the final exams. By conducting these classes, the students would benefit from the teaching of their teachers in COVID-19 situation. As you know that all the educational institutions have been closed due to the spread of COVID-19. Hence, online classes are inevitable for the smooth flow of educational activities. That is why the government decided to launch online classes for the betterment of the students. In this regard, we hope and expect that you would pay full attention to these classes and would benefit from them as maximum as possible. We also hope that you would do your best to perform in the exams. For this purpose, our department too started the online classes to help you in preparing yourself for the final exams. I'm Abdul from Department of English. Uh, my job is to teach you grammar, that is the paper B portion of the paper, and we have already started the correction of sentences. This is the question of 10 marks in your final paper, in which incorrect sentences are given and you have to correct those incorrect sentences. This question is of prime importance because it can help you in securing more marks, and these marks are very much pertinent and important because exact 10 marks can be got in this question if only 5 sentences are corrected. So I will be sharing the rules and the principles that can help you in correcting the incorrect sentence, and this would not only help you in securing good marks in your graduation, but these rules would also help you in improving your English in general, because the basic purpose of these lectures is to help you in spotting out the most frequent mistakes committed in the usage of English. By knowing these mistakes, you will be able to express yourself in correct English. Hence, it is hoped and expected of you that you would pay full attention to these rules. Further, you are also advised to make notes of these lectures because these would help you later in your preparation for the final exam as well. And here comes test number 6. Is the series of tests has been started in order to check the understanding of the rules of correction and also a sort of revision for the rules of correction. Now we will start test number 6, and in this test, first of all, I would give you 5 sentences that are incorrect, and you would correct them and write them on your notebooks. Then in the next part, the correct sentences will be given, which you have to match with your correct sentences, that whether they are correct or still there is some problem with them. So first of all, please write these sentences on your notebook and then correct these sentences, and later on match with the solutions and the answers that are provided here. For your convenience, the mistakes have been highlighted here in the red. Why? Basically, the purpose is to help you in understanding the rules of correction. When you would find something highlighted in the red, this would help you in concentrating on the specific point instead of roaming in the whole sentence. Later on, we will also have the unidentified mistakes that it would not be highlighted. That would be the advanced level, the next level that you have to do. But at this stage, these mistakes have been highlighted for your convenience so as to enable you to exactly understand the rules of correction and focusing on the particular point. Let's move to the sentence number 1, that is the incorrect sentences, and among them the first one is, it is he who are responsible. In the sentence you can see that R has been highlighted. So focus on the point, that what may be the problem by using R. So this focusing on R means that you have to replace this R with some other verb. What could be the possibility? Think upon this and correct this sentence. Write your sentence after correcting it. Now we move to the sentence number 2. It is you who has come late. In this sentence, has is the highlighted word, indicating that there is some mistake in using has. So think about has, that what to do with this one, and certainly it needs replacement. Replacement with what? This is what you have to decide. So please correct this sentence so as when we move to the section of the correct sentences, you should have corrected all the sentences till then. I hope that you have corrected the sentence. Let's move to the sentence number 3. She is tallest girl. Tallest has been highlighted in the sentence, indicating that there is some problem with tallest. You have to concentrate on this one, that this is the third degree of adjective, so what it needs to be done with. So this would help you in understanding this sentence. Here comes sentence number 4. Faster you run, sooner you reach. Faster and sooner both have been highlighted here in order to make it easier for you to understand that what could be the problem with this sentence, in which both the comparative degrees, faster and sooner, are the comparative degrees, and 2 comparative degrees have been highlighted. So now you have to think about this one, that what is the rule with such words are with the second degree of the adjective. And finally comes sentence number 5. More you work hard, more marks you get. Just like sentence number 4, sentence number 5 also follows the same pattern of the double comparative adjectives. So here too, like faster and sooner, more and more, are also this comparative degree of adjective. So that's what you need to think, that what could be the solution for this one. So please make your sentences correct. When you have corrected them, then resume your video and then go for the solution. If you haven't done and you couldn't correct your sentences so far, then pause the video and correct your sentences. When you have corrected your sentences, then play the video and move to the next part of the lecture, that is the correct sentence in this one. Now we come to the solution, the correct sentences. So the correct sentences, it is he who is responsible. Here you see that is has been corrected. Why? Because we have to use is according to the pronoun that has been used in this sentence, and the pronoun is he. So with he we use is, not are. So it is he who is responsible is the correct sentence. Moving to the second sentence, it is you who have come late. Why? Because the pronoun before who is you, and you takes have instead of has. So this is the correct expression for this sentence. She is the tallest girl. In the incorrect sentence, only tallest was used without the definite article the. But the rule is that we use the before the third degree of an adjective, and tallest is the third degree of an adjective. That's why we need to use the before it. Moving to the next sentence, the faster you run, the sooner you reach. If in a sentence we use the two comparative degrees, then the definite article is used before them. So we have placed the before faster and the before sooner, just indicating this sentence to be the correct one. So whenever we use two comparative degrees in a sentence, the is placed before them. The faster you run, the sooner you reach. And moving towards the last sentence, that is the fifth one, again like the sentence number 4, this too takes the before the comparative degrees. The more you work hard, the more marks you get. So the has been added before more, because these are the double comparatives in which we use the before them. So I hope you might have understood this test, and this would have enabled you to understand and revise the rules of correction.